Hello viewers, in today's video I'm going to give you 7 tips that could help revive your dying business. My name is Tina and you're watching Business Rejuvenates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. Don't also forget to click the notification bell for all my videos that are about to pop down. So basing on the current situation, many businesses have been affected due to the corona pandemic crisis. So I thought about dropping a few tips that could help businesses revive and come back to normal. Cash flow projection. You will need to call your accountant, give your accountant a call, sit on a round table and consider preparing financial statements. These include balance sheet, income statement, statements of cash flow and taxes. Get your financial model and get to know how bad things are. When you have the numbers, you will get to know what other thing you carry on to bring the business back to normal. Recapitalization. You will consider floating shares to raise capital. That is by inviting the public to buy shares. The other thing you could do in this COVID-19 pandemic, the government could have put some money aside, maybe in a bank, to help the entrepreneurs get loans and maybe help revive their businesses. So what you could do is get a soft loan, because these loans are normally flexible and with good interest rate. So it would be good if you get that soft loan and you use it to revive your business. Then the other thing you could do is maybe go to a bank, sit down with the manager and then have a discussion of getting a loan, and then request for a grace period to pay that loan, meaning you will pay back the interest with the money when you are stable in your business. Restructuring the organization. The main aim is to have the business operate efficiently. You will need to evaluate the current roles and their relevancy. You will need to scale down the number of employees and retain the most essential. This is a very hard decision to make for most business owners. This is very difficult. Diversification. The business may be struggling with a current product line, which may be high in cost of production vis-a-vis its return. So it could be of great thought if you diversify in other related products that could be cost-friendly and fast-moving, which will generate quick income or quick money. My next tip is merging. Two companies combine together and form a strong base. For example, Coca-Cola Uganda merged with Renzori Mineral Water and formed a strong base. The other example I could give you, this is in the banking sector. NC Bank merged with Commercial Bank of Africa and formed NCBA Bank of Uganda. My next tip is increase sales. One of the things you would want to do during that situation when the company is failing is increase your sales. And the one way to do that is make a partnership with an already established company and advertise along their platform. For example, you could maybe advertise on Amazon platform or maybe Shopify platform. That will help increase your sales, because the last thing you want right about that moment or this moment is to be fired by a client for failing to deliver, or for anybody not to pay you, because what you need at this moment is to generate more cash flow into the business. Cost optimization. One thing you want to do during that tight moment, you will need to eliminate all expenditures, especially those that don't line with production. The other thing you can also consider is hostility measures, asking employees to let you cut off bonuses or even unjustified allowances. This will help the company to minimize its expenditures, because now we want the money to keep coming in to help us rise again. The last tip is rebranding the company to generate more sales. This means repackaging the image of the company and make it more appealing, more attractive to attract the target market. So this will help generate more sales to your business. And of course, this has been seen by companies that have stayed around for a long time. They come up with new themes every year, keep advertising to stay relevant in the eyes of their customers and target market. So these are my tips for any dying business. Please put them in practice and you will not regret. Like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.